grade 7 students. Now, let us discuss about the characteristics of arts and crafts of Visayas group of islands. Visayas. So Visayas is also known as the Visayan group of islands. Visayas is a collection of large and small islands in the central Philippines. The 7 main islands are Bohol, Cebu, Leyte, Masbate, Negros, Panay, and Samar. So let us discuss the textile of Visayas group of islands. First, Iloilo. Iloilo tagged as the textile capital of the Philippines. It is known in weaving Patagon. So Patagon is a native tube wrapped around piece of cloth worn by women as a skirt and is usually paired with kimono. So this hablon, so when we say hablon, it is a hand-woven fabric used for clothes. So it is distinctly Ilonggo in color and character. It is often colorful and features geometric designs. So it is traditionally made of local-made fibers such as piña, abaca, and cotton. Next, Aklan. So piña weaving is an age-old tradition in Aklan. So the leading manufacturer of piña cloth in the country, so known as the Queen of Philippine Fabrics. Piña cloth is one of the legacies left to us by the Spaniards during their occupation of our country. This was the prime materials used in making barong Tagalogs and saya. Making piña cloth is a careful process. Sometimes it takes months before it transforms into a wearable outfit. Next, Negros Island. So Sinamay, it is a term referring to woven abaca. It was the traditional clothing material of Filipinos. So this textile is made from abaca twine and indigenous plants similar to banana. So Sinamay is of thinless tissue but almost transparent and far more durable than the fabrics made from pineapple fiber. So Sinamay materials are used in making gift boxes, decorative accessories, wall covering, draperies, fashion accessories, footwear, tablepot, or tabletop, and more. Next, crafts of Visayas group of islands. First is Capiz. The Capiz shell comes from a marine mollusk which is abundant in the province of Capiz. So its outer shells are bleached and dried before being pressed or cut into different shapes. So these shells are formed into various craft products like curtain, candle holder, chandelier, windows, and many more. Next, Cebu. Cebu is known as the furniture capital of Southeast Asia. So most of the products are made from local and indigenous resources. So the materials used are readily accessible in their environment like coconut, cassava, waste wood, or even used paper. So the furniture only uses minimal amount of synthetic products and other materials for support and structures, which make them friendly and sustainable. So their craftsmanship is a eco combination of generations of know-how in handicraft and weaving processes with a touch of the latest methods of furniture creation. Next, Bohol. So Bohol is famously known for its basket weaving industry. So antiquary baskets, including other native products such as hampers, home furnishings, wall decors, furniture, bags, and fashion accessories, come in all shapes and sizes. So these handicrafts are made out of whatever native material is on hand, from bamboo, rattan, wicker, nito, buri, sigid, and other vines. So for years, this has been the town's main source of income and earned them the title Basket Capital of Bohol. Next, Samar. So the banig or mats in Basay Samar measure around 2 by 3 meters. So a banig is usually made from tikog. So tikog is a special reed grass which grows in swammy or wet areas along rice fields and has solid, jointless, and usually triangular stems. So the colorful banigs are more expensive than simple ones. So from sleeping mats, so the weaver have produced other products so such as bags, decors, placemats, furniture, matting, and other decoration. Next, let us discuss about the festivals in Visayas group of island. First is Ati-Atihan. So the Filipino Ati-Atihan Festival of Kalibu, Aklan is known as the mother of all festivals. It is held every third Sunday of January, so in honor of the arrival of the Santo Niño in Cebu. So the highlight of the festival is the street dancing competition of the different groups representing different tribes. So they wear colorful costumes, including the headdresses that are made of abaca fibers, shells, feathers, bamboo, mga plant leaves, kugon, and sugarcane flowers. So all the participants cover themselves with soot or black powder to look like the Ati or natives of Aklan. Next is Mascara Festival. So the Mascara Festival is celebrated every October in Bacolod. So Mascara, so come from two words, mas, meaning crowd, and cara, which means face. So Bacolod City got the nickname of the city of smiles. So because of the smiling faces of the masks, so during the old days, their masks were adorned with locally found materials like coconut sprouts, colorful betel nuts, violet, yellow, or red San Francisco leaves, and anato, so more locally known as atsuete, so serves as natural coloring. So over the years, mask design at present have evolved from plain and simple to very decorative. Next, Pintados Kasadyaan Festival. So the Pintados Kasadyaan Festival of Leyte is a cultural religious celebration to honor Santo Niño or the whole this is a cultural religious celebration to honor Santo Niño or the Holy Child. So it features the unique culture and colorful history of the province through dance presentation. So the word pintado refers to the body tattoos of the native warriors. To resemble these tattooed warriors, so the dancers' bodies were decorated with tattoos from head to toe with beautiful designs and incredible styles. Next, in terms of their architecture, so they have Molo Church. So Molo Church is a famous Spanish colonial church and heritage site in the province of Iloilo. So it is known for the famous red spires or pyramidal structure on the top of the building. So that crown its tall bell towers and as the feminist church. So because of the all-women ensemble of saints represented in 16 statues hanging on the aisle pillars. So it is built in 1831. So Molo Church stands as a reminder of Iloilo's rich history and a monument for Ilonggo artistry. So the church displays a fusion of Gothic and Romanesque architectural styles. So this church is made of coral rocks glued with a mortar made from egg whites mixed with sand. Next is Ruins Mansion. So it is one of the most iconic tourist destinations in Talisay City, Negros Occidental. So it is known as the Taj Mahal of Negros and Taj Mahal of the Philippines. So due to its romantic history, so the ruins is said to be the remains of the 10-bedroom Italianate mansion built by Don Mariano Ledesma Lacson in memory of his wife Maria Braga, who had died during the pregnancy of his 11th child. So during World War II, so Filipino guerrillas employed by the U.S. Armed Forces intentionally set the building on fire in order to prevent invading Japanese forces from being able to use the building as a headquarters. So the intention was to burn it to the ground. So despite being burned slowly for several days, the walls and foundation of the mansion remain stable. So even today, so the design is still evidently elegant and the color changes from white to gray and and orange to red as the sunset touches the structure. Then last, the Baclayan Church. So Baclayan Church of Bohol is considered to be one of the oldest churches in the Philippines. So according to history, Some 200 native forced laborers constructed the church from coral stone. So they used bamboo to move and lift the stones in position and use the white of 1,000,000 eggs as to cement them together. So that is our lesson for today. So happy learning!